Hi guys, I'm Evie,
I'm Stu.
and today we are here to talk about what you should take to Galapagos.
Because we took some things that we didn't need to take and we didn't take some things that we did need to take.
Yeah, let's see what we have here. First thing, water shoes. Yeah, water shoes was really handy because even in the water could be rocky, and then also doing the hikes are not so difficult, so we don't need the proper boots. This was enough, so water shoes.
Yeah, in fact, I forgot my flip-flops and I didn't really miss them, to be honest, because we could walk around in these when we got to the beach, just took them off. Yeah, perfect, to be honest.
Good.
Oh, I've got the big one. So we've got mask, snorkel and fins. I'd say we didn't really use the fins at all because when we went on the trips they provided them, and when we were snorkeling just around the bays and things we just used the mask and the snorkel. You didn't really need the fins, so it's up to you, but probably don't need them.
Yeah, even for dive, they provide everything. We read that sometimes people like, buy hoods, boots, but we didn't use. They provide everything. Dry bags, so for beaches and stuff to not wet your things.
Camera, specifically an optical zoom camera, because with the nature shots sometimes things are far away, so digital zoom is not so great, so better with an optical zoom camera.
Yeah. Towel, we didn't use that because they provide, the hotel hosted all of them, even the cheapest one provides towels, so don't need that.
Sunglasses, my sunglasses, because someone didn't take theirs.
And then I was most part of the time like that, so not good. Bikinis, yeah, for swimming all the time. I was most part of the time with bikinis.
Well, this is actually for something for laying on the beach, which it can be used for, or if you don't take a sun hat, you might have to wear it on your head, like I did all the time. So do take a sun hat or something to protect your head because it's really hot, and if you don't take one, you need
the sun is really strong, even cloudy. Yeah, light jacket. During the day the sun is really hot, but during the night can be windy, so light jackets to protect any ETs for the whole year.
Water bottle. All the hotels and hostels and accommodation places have refill water available, as it's a law, which is great because obviously it cuts down on plastic waste. And this one is a thermal bottle, which is recommended because if you go to the beaches, there's not much shade and water will boil in the bottle.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah. Repellent. We didn't use it too much, but to do some walks was good. It was handy because there was some mosquitoes there, so take it with you.
So just a light raincoat. So it rains all year round in Galapagos. Usually light rains any time of the year, so it's good to have one no matter what season, especially in the highlands. I believe it often rains in the highlands, so just good to have a light raincoat.
Yeah. Plugs. It's good for if your country was not this shape. It's Galapagos is this way, so you need the adapter. Take one with you.
What's in the bag? So we've got after sun, and the reason you might need after sun is if you don't take strong enough sunblock. We took factor 30 sunblock, and that's not strong enough. You should really take factor 50 because the sun is very strong at the Galapagos because it's right right on the equator even. So both.
Medicine. Some people say, take medicine with you, blah blah blah, but we found very easy to buy medicine there, so don't need to worry about unless you need a prescription properly, so medicine is fine there to buy.
Earplugs. We didn't need earplugs, but we met people who did.
Yeah, a friend of us who were diving with us, she was in a hostel and the owner was making a party till 3 a.m.
Yeah, and the only reason the party stopped is because she went and complained. So
because she had to dive and she was like, I need to dive next day, and she was very sleepy. It was so funny.
What have we got here? We've got a wallet. Well, actually money and a international card, and the reason is that the cash machine's actually all available on the islands. All 3 islands have ATMs available.
Yeah.
We didn't have any issues taking money out. A few times they were kind of off for a few hours, so I'd recommend you had money just for enough the day at least, and then maybe the next day, but you can get money out on the islands.
Exactly, yeah, it was good. Yeah, I think that's it. We finished. So yeah.
All right, done.
I hope it was useful for you. Hope you don't forget anything.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out gohobo.net for more information on all the things we talked about today.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.